What's up, everyone? Today we're doing something different. I'm giving you the ultimate emergency kit checklist that could literally save your life. Emergencies happen when you least expect them. Natural disasters, power outages, you name it. Being prepared is critical for your family's safety, and I've done the research so you don't have to. We're building a survival kit from the ground up, and I'll explain why each item matters. This isn't just a list, it's a complete system to keep you safe. Grab a notebook or hit save. You'll want to come back to this. Ready? Let's build your emergency kit. First up, water. It's the single most important thing you need to survive in any emergency, and it's often the first thing people overlook. You can survive weeks without food, but only days without water. That's why experts recommend storing at least 1 gallon per person, per day, just for basic needs like drinking and minimal hygiene. If you can, aim for a week or more. Having extra is always better than running short. For a family of 4, that's at least 12 gallons for 3 days. More is better. Remember, emergencies can last longer than you expect, so plan for the unexpected. Buy commercially bottled water or use large containers, but always store them in a cool, dark place to keep them fresh and safe from contamination. If you fill your own containers, treat the water properly, use the right amount of bleach or water purification drops, and make sure you're following trusted guidelines. A little research now can save you a lot of trouble later. Don't forget your pets, add extra water for them too. Every member of your household, furry or not, needs to stay hydrated. Rotate your supply regularly so it stays fresh. Mark dates on your containers and use the oldest first to avoid waste. When disaster strikes, you'll be glad you have more than enough. Peace of mind comes from knowing you're prepared for anything. Water isn't just for drinking, it's essential for cooking, cleaning, washing hands, and staying healthy. You'll use more than you think. Don't make rookie mistakes like letting your water go bad or forgetting to check your supply. Stay on top of it. The goal: have so much water it's the last thing you worry about. Being overprepared is far better than being caught off guard. When others panic and scramble for supplies, you'll be calm and hydrated, knowing you planned ahead. That's step 1 to surviving anything. Secure your water, and you're already ahead of the game. Next, food. When disaster strikes, food becomes more than just a daily routine, it's your fuel for survival and your comfort in uncertain times. When the power's out and stores are empty, you need non-perishable food that lasts and needs little or no cooking. Think about what you'd want to eat if you couldn't leave your home for days. Stock up for at least 3 days per person, but a week or more is even better. The more you have, the less you'll worry if help takes longer to arrive. Canned goods, soups, veggies, fruits, meats are great because they last and provide hydration. They're ready to eat, and you can even eat them cold if you have to. Dry goods like rice, pasta, and beans are cheap and filling, but remember they need water and heat. If you have a camping stove or grill, these can stretch your meals further. High-energy foods, peanut butter, granola bars, nuts, dried fruit, are perfect for quick calories. They're lightweight, portable, and don't spoil easily, making them ideal for grab-and-go situations. Only store foods your family will actually eat. Comfort matters in a crisis. Familiar snacks can lift spirits and help kids feel safe. Don't forget a manual can opener, have a backup too. Electric ones won't work if the power's out, so keep it handy. Disposable plates and utensils save you from doing dishes when water is scarce. They also help keep things sanitary if you can't wash up. Plan for every detail so you're not caught off guard. Rotate your supplies regularly and check expiration dates to keep your kit fresh. The right food keeps you strong and morale high. Sharing a meal, even a simple one, can bring comfort and a sense of normalcy. Make your kit practical and personal. Label everything clearly and involve the whole family in packing so everyone knows what's available. Food is your lifeline. Don't overlook it. With the right supplies, you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Now, first aid. In an emergency, you might be your own first responder. Start with a solid first aid kit: bandages, gauze, tape, antiseptic and antibiotic ointment. Upgrade with butterfly bandages, a sling, elastic wrap, pain relievers, antihistamines, and at least a week's supply of prescriptions. Customize for your family. Include baby meds, EpiPens, or anything specific. Add scissors, tweezers, and a tourniquet. Learn how to use them. Include a first aid manual for quick reference. Review and update your kit every 6 months. In a crisis, your kit is your emergency room. Be ready to handle injuries with confidence. This box could save a life. Don't skimp on it. Imagine a sudden blackout, total darkness everywhere, both inside your home and out on the street. The familiar world vanishes, replaced by uncertainty and shadows. In that moment, you realize you need reliable light, something much better than just your phone's weak flashlight, which drains your battery fast and barely lights up the room. That's why it's smart to get several LED flashlights, one large, powerful one for the main room, plus smaller portable ones for each family member to keep close by. LEDs are bright, energy efficient, and built to last. They're tough enough to survive drops and bumps, making them a worthwhile investment for any emergency kit. Don't forget to stockpile extra batteries. Store them outside the flashlight to prevent corrosion, and keep a variety of sizes on hand for all your devices. Add headlamps to your kit. They free up your hands for cooking, searching for supplies, or giving first aid, making them incredibly useful in a crisis. Solar lanterns and hand-crank flashlights are excellent backup options. They don't rely on batteries, so you'll always have light, even if your main supplies run low. Light does more than just help you see. It keeps you safe, calm, and connected with your loved ones when everything else feels chaotic and uncertain. Don't rely on a single source. Redundancy is key. Have multiple types of lights and backups for every situation. Make it a habit to check your lights and batteries regularly, so you're never caught off guard when the power goes out. In a blackout, light is your best friend, guiding you, keeping you safe, and helping you stay in control. Make sure every family member has their own flashlight, so no one is left in the dark or separated during an emergency. Darkness can be dangerous. Be ready to light it up. Remember, light equals safety, comfort, and peace of mind. When the power and internet are out, you need a way to get information, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. This is your link to weather alerts, evacuation orders, and rescue updates. Get a radio with multiple power options: batteries, hand crank, and solar. Many models have built-in flashlights and USB charging for your phone. Learn how to use your radio and preset important stations. Don't wait until disaster strikes to figure it out. This device is your command center. Don't skip it. Information is power in a crisis. Stay ahead of the disaster with real-time updates. A radio keeps you connected when everything else fails. It's a small investment for huge peace of mind. Emergencies demand versatility. A multi-tool or Swiss Army knife is essential. It's pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, can opener, and more in one compact package. Quality matters. Choose a trusted brand like Leatherman or Victorinox. Cheap tools break when you need them most. Learn how to use every function before you need it. A multi-tool lets you fix, cut, and adapt on the fly. It's your portable toolbox for any situation. Keep it accessible in your kit. One tool, endless solutions. Don't leave home without it. Hygiene is survival. Disease spreads fast when sanitation fails. Pack soap and hand sanitizer. Use them constantly. Toothbrushes and toothpaste for everyone. Dental health matters. Toilet paper and baby wipes are must-haves for comfort and cleanliness. Include feminine hygiene, solder, jans, solver, don't overlook this. Store everything in a waterproof bag. Add a towel and washcloth for quick cleanups. Staying clean keeps you healthy and boosts morale. Hygiene is your first defense against illness. Don't let hygiene slide in a crisis. A clean kit is a healthy kit. If you have to evacuate, you need your documents, ID, insurance, medical info, and more. Make copies of everything: driver's licenses, birth certificates, passports, insurance policies, bank info. Don't pack originals, keep them safe, but have copies ready. Scan all documents and save them on an encrypted USB flash drive. Store paper and digital copies in a waterproof, fire-resistant bag. Include a list of prescriptions and medical needs for each family member. This go bag lets you rebuild your life after disaster. Keep it updated and easy to grab. Your paperwork is your safety net. Don't risk losing it all. When the power's out in winter, staying warm is survival. Mylar emergency blankets reflect body heat and are compact. Get at least 2 per person. Add sleeping bags or wool blankets for real insulation. Wool works even when wet, great for cold climates. Pack warm clothes, layers, socks, hats, gloves. A warm hat is essential. Most heat escapes from your head. Combine blankets, sleeping bags, and clothing for maximum warmth. Hypothermia is a real risk. Don't underestimate it. Staying warm keeps you safe and strong. Prepare for the cold before it hits. If you're trapped or lost, you need to signal for help. A whistle is the answer. It's louder and carries farther than your voice, using less energy. 3 blasts is the universal distress signal. Choose a P-less whistle. It works in any weather. Give one to every family member and attach extras to your kit and jackets. Teach everyone how and when to use it. Whistles are cheap, light, and can save your life. Don't rely on shouting. Be heard when it matters. It's a tiny tool with huge impact. That's your ultimate emergency kit. 10 essentials to keep you safe. Maintain your kit. Check food, water, and batteries twice a year. Share this video with friends and family. Prepared communities are stronger. Help others get ready and you help yourself. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe for more. Stay safe, stay prepared, and see you next time. Your effort today could save lives tomorrow. Don't wait. Start building your kit now.